Question 1. Complete the sentence, I happy. Use am with I. Question 2. Complete the sentence, she my sister. Use is with she. Question 3. Complete the sentence, they at school. Use are with they. Question 4. Find the incorrect word, he have a bike. Use has with he. Question 5. Find the incorrect word, we as friends. Use are with we. Question 6. Choose the correct sentence. Use the base verb with I. Question 7. Choose the correct sentence. She takes has. Question 8. Choose the best response. Someone says, how are you? This is the correct reply. Question 9. Choose the best response. Someone says, see you tomorrow. This is a natural response. Question 10. Which word does not belong? Chair is not a fruit. Question 11. Complete the sentence, I English every day. Use the base verb with I. Question 12. Complete the sentence, my father coffee. Third person singular takes S. Question 13. Complete the sentence, the dog under the table. Use is with singular nouns. Question 14. Find the incorrect word, they goes home. Use go with they. Question 15. Find the incorrect word, I am play football. Use playing or remove am. Question 16. Choose the correct sentence. Use the base verb with we. Question 17. Choose the correct sentence. Use is with he. Question 18. Choose the best response. Someone says, what's your name? This answers the question correctly. Question 19. Choose the best response. Someone says, thank you. This is the natural reply. Question 20. Which word does not belong? Table is not an animal. Question 21. Complete the sentence, we breakfast at 7 o'clock. Use the base verb with we. Question 22. Complete the sentence, she to school by bus. Third person singular takes ease. Question 23. Complete the sentence, my friend's football on Saturdays. Use the base verb with plural subjects. Question 24. Find the incorrect word, my mother cooked dinner. Use cooks. Question 25. Find the incorrect word, I has a dog. Use have with I. Question 26. Choose the correct sentence. Use have with they. Question 27. Choose the correct sentence. Use is with it. Question 28. Choose the best response. Someone says, good night. This is the correct reply. Question 29. Choose the best response. Someone says, nice to meet you. This is the natural response. Question 30. Which word does not belong? Apple is not a day. Question 31. Complete the sentence, the baby asleep. Use is with singular nouns. Question 32. Complete the sentence, I my homework every evening. Use the base verb with I. Question 33. Complete the sentence, she TV after dinner. Third person singular takes ease. Question 34. Find the incorrect word, he don't like milk. Use doesn't with he. Question 35. Find the incorrect word, we likes music. Use like with we. Question 36. Choose the correct sentence. Third person singular takes S. Question 37. Choose the correct sentence. Use are with they. Question 38. Choose the best response. Someone says, excuse me. This is a natural reply. Question 39. Choose the best response. Someone says, can you help me? This is the correct response. Question 40. Which word does not belong? Elephant is not a color. Question 41. Complete the sentence, the children in the park. Use the base verb with plural subjects. Question 42. Complete the sentence, my teacher English. Third person singular takes ease. Question 43. Complete the sentence, I from Hungary. Use am with I. Question 44. Find the incorrect word, she walked to school. Use walks. Question 45. Find the incorrect word, they is happy. Use are with they. Question 46. Choose the correct sentence. Use the base verb with we. Question 47. Choose the correct sentence. Use have with I. Question 48. Choose the best response. Someone says, have a nice day. This is the natural response. Question 49. Choose the best response. Someone says, welcome. This is the correct reply. Question 50. Which word does not belong? Bicycle is not a drink.